This TTS demo is for testing and evaluation purposes only. Any unauthorized commercial use is prohibited. Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 102,102 miles, this Gold Fire Mist 2000 Cadillac DeVille equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.